Hey, how's it going everybody? It's your boy JB and I'm back after a really relaxing Christmas and New Year holiday. Today was Sundaze. I hope you're all having a cracking Sunday, as I am as always. Today we're making pizza dough. So I've taken Jamie Oliver's recipe from Jamie's Italy. So let's have a wee go at it and see what it comes out like. So as I said at the top of the video, I'm just back actually from taking a good break away from pretty much everything because real life takes over. But I'm actually working on something new, which is a free cookbook for all the vegans out there. So it'll be available at the end of January. You'll get it at fatladfood.co.uk. I'll do a wee video especially in regards to it to let you see what the crack is. Have a good one. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday.